Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to create an Amazon Alexa account so you can start using your Alexa-enabled devices right away. To begin, you'll need the Amazon Alexa app, which is available for both iOS and Android. Download and install it from your App Store, then open the app. When you launch it, you'll be prompted to sign in. If you already have an Amazon account, just enter your email and password and you're good to go. But if you don't have one yet, tap on the option to create a new Amazon account. Enter your name, email, and password, then confirm your email with the verification code Amazon sends. Once verified, your Amazon account automatically becomes your Alexa account. After signing in, the app will guide you to set up your Alexa device. You can add Echo speakers, displays, or any other Alexa-supported gadgets. From here, you'll be able to manage voice settings, connect smart home devices, and personalize Alexa to your lifestyle. And that's it! Your Amazon Alexa account is ready, and you can start enjoying voice commands, music, reminders, and much more.